my dad decided to make a $10 bet for me. So I got treed. I mean, there's no other way to put it. I got treed. All right, so we are backing the truck up and putting the rear in the bed, and we're gonna take this thing over to Kenny and get the rear installed. And hopefully we'll be able to get out to the track on Friday. Hey guys, so I just wanted to send a little bit of an update. We just went to Kenny Dean's to check on the rear and drop off the fluid for it. And we were told that from the factory, the axles were actually put in cross-threaded. So we run into a little bit of a problem. Not sure how we're going to be able to fix it. We're hoping that they could use a thread chaser and be able to put the axle back in. He said he was really having a hard time pulling it off. So if that does not work, I'm going to have to look into getting aftermarket axles, and we're going to be putting the 390 on hold until the axles come in. And we won't be able to race probably for a couple weeks. But keeping our fingers crossed and hoping that we get a phone call in a couple hours that he was able to chase the threads and he was able to put them back on. He's got everything ready to go. He had the wheels off, tires off. It's not too bad. It's not terrible, but I can't believe that it was done like that from the factory and that they would actually let it leave a plant cross-threaded, but it is what it is. Also, since we're not posting anything on the rear yet, we did go to the track Tuesday night, and we were going to race the dragster. We had a little bit of issues with it, so my wife had brought the Challenger, and we figured we would run, and my dad took it upon himself to put a $10 bet with an Audi, and we raced this kid, really nice kid, Shane. I'll put his Instagram in the description below. He had an Audi, and we raced him for $10. And it was probably one of the closest races I've ever had. It was so much fun. So since we have no update on the 390 yet, I'm going to throw in the video of the race and hope that we have an answer soon. As soon as we do, I will have a new video for you guys.
Okay, I'll be sure over there.
June, just hold them up for a sec so Paige can switch.